Hello, friends, and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani, and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Diwali and a prosperous, happy New Year. After yesterday's episode, which I put out, a viewer commented on YouTube asking, is this the right time to start an SIP? I have decided to start a future investment so that I can collect a lump sum for my child's education. Now understand this. What is an SIP? An SIP is a process, a systematic investment plan. What does an SIP do? An SIP takes out a fixed amount every month or every quarter or every fortnight from your bank account and invests it into a fund or an investment of your choice. Is SIP a new concept? No. We have been doing a recurring deposit from ages. Our parents, our grandparents used to open recurring deposits in banks and post offices. And SIP is just an extension of the recurring deposit. The only difference being it is invested in an asset class which is volatile. Either equity or debt or even a balanced or even a gold fund, all these assets are volatile. The price moves up and down. And SIP gives you an option to buy the same asset at different prices so that over a period of time your cost averages out and chances are you will make better returns than your bank FD or a post office RD or even a bank RD. Correct? So there is no right time to start an SIP. The best time to start an SIP is today, right now. Being an auspicious day of Diwali, New Year, and tomorrow being Bhai Dooj, auspicious festivals, there can be no better day to start an SIP for your retirement, for your child's future, for any other financial goal which you may be thinking. If you want to start an SIP, don't bother, don't wait for the markets to come up and down, because that way you are trying to time the market. Nobody can time the market. The right time to start your SIP is today, right now.